you're left by the shape of May. Your hands are young, mine still shake. I turn my face before I break, and I hear your eyes before your words. The quiet heat I can't ignore. It blooms so slow, it hurts so sweet, like hidden fire under my feet. Don't let them talk, don't let them see. You want my heart, I want you near. Don't let them talk, let them stare. We can be brave right here, right here, right here. I wore my pride like a locked up door. You stood outside wanting more. I played it cool with a borrowed smile, but every glance stayed for a while. And I hear your eyes before your words. That quiet heat I can't ignore. It blooms so slow, it hurts so sweet, like hidden fire